Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you remove your biometrics or passkeys from Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, just simply go over this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap into that option and then select your profile into here. Now after going into this page, you just simply have to tap into this security option. Tap to security and go over this security page. Now in here you will get to see this passkeys option below two-factor authentication. Tap to passkeys and then you will get all of the available passkeys option into this page. Now you will have to tap into this dustbin icon besides your passkey option. I have this Google Password Manager. I'll tap to the dustbin icon and it will give me the option of continue. Tap there, and after tapping into continue, it will try to make sure that you are trying to do this process. Just simply enter your biometrics, and after entering your biometrics and verifying that it's you, it will successfully delete your passkey. This way you can also remove your passkey from Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.